Alright. Let's give this another shot. I believe I'm going. Wait. There we go. Alright. Let's do this thing. So we're gonna start. Let's back up. Go to Christ. Okay, so first of all, I need to make a way to end the level. So let's go to my scenes. I gotta make sure I can see this. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Let's go in my packs. Go into my pack. Get the prefab that I want. I want this prefab. This is a flag that says you finished the game. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. And then another thing that I want to do to get the player, let's move them out of the way. Okay, so I want the flag to be centered. Just make sure it looks good. I don't think it'll be doing anything like waving, but that's fine. I'd like to put like a ring around the flag. So I think what I can do is make it a cylinder. Make it big. Make it like this. So it's like, oh, okay, when the player comes up, they're like, oh, okay, if I get in this zone, I'll be like safe. And this will be the actual like zone that the player gets into. One thing, I gotta fix up the material. Put this on it. So I think I have a script that actually does what I want. Not in here. Script. How am I, hang on. Oh, okay. There we go. Yeah. Nice. I can see. Alrighty. So for this, I'm gonna like make it way more transparent, obviously. I think that's pretty good. What I'd like to do is make it so that like there's like an image or something that's going around. Okay, that didn't work. Hang on. This trigger. Now, I thought I could do a cylinder. Collider. Okay, so for that I don't really care, but I can do a mesh collider, right? Convex is trigger, so that it triggers the script. So I gotta find the script. Finish line. Boop. There it goes. You can see in the console it said level complete. I'll figure something out about that. So something is looking for the spawn manager. I gotta see what it is. So the spawn manager exists somewhere in the game, and it's looking for a checkpoint. There is no checkpoint right now. So what we do is we find out where that is. I think it's on the player, actually. Let's look. Yeah, spawn manager's here. So we gotta put a checkpoint. Okay. So we're gonna leave this like that. So this will tell the game like, hey, you finished. If you hit that little circle. Let's just make sure that this is the way I want it to be. Yeah, like that's okay. Move forward a little bit. Oopsie. Okay. First off, this is not active. Let's make that spawn. So what I'll do, I have another scene that I think I have it in. Spawn. Yeah, there it is. So come here. Look at this thing. That's the spawn. Okay. One thing I need to check is on the spawn manager. How do I set a checkpoint? Okay, here. Public void set checkpoint. So there's gonna be spots. You pass in a location, which is a game object, and then the checkpoint becomes that game object. Okay. So let's make a prefab out of this. Okay. Let's turn this down a little bit. Okay. I just want to make sure I can be heard for later. So I want to make a prefab. I don't seem to have a prefab folder yet. What is this? This is my cell shaders. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna make a prefab thing folder. Prefabs. Okay, we're gonna take this cube, put it into the prefabs. There you go. It is just a cube. Nothing crazy. Let's go to scenes, go to sewers. Okay, so we're back here. You can see that this is like that. Not bad. But what we want to do is we're going to come back, go to our prefab, put the spawn point here. Maybe up just a little bit. So what happens is, like, no matter where the player starts, they will get moved to where they belong. Let's put them there. Okay, so like if we put the player all the way over here, regardless, he'll still like spawn over here. Oh, guess not. All right, let's double check the player. So here's the spawn manager. Editing the script. So on start, checkpoint is set to find game object with tag spawn. Game object transform position equals transform of the checkpoint. So okay, I'm just gonna clean that up real quick. So basically, at the start, you get the checkpoint. You set our game, our player. This is the player. You set the player's position to the checkpoint's position, and then you get that rigid body. This actually doesn't look right. Oh, no, it should be fine. Yeah. Okay, save the scene. Play again. No, didn't work. Alright. So spawn is tagged with spawn. Box collider, no. Mesh renderer. Okay, let me go back to that other scene and see if there's anything about it that's different. So here's the spawn. And you can see that when player moves to the spawn, hang on, how do I go upside down? Okay, wait, I gotta do this. Oh, I gotta connect my controller. Okay, controller. Oh, it isn't working. Alright. Okay, that's actually good to know. So that doesn't work. So find game object with tag. Spawn manager. So on start, you find the spawn. You set the spawn. Why am I not getting I'm not getting IntelliSense. Where's IntelliSense? Something's up. Hang on. Okay, so that actually is not working the way I thought it was, or it was supposed to. So let's figure this out. So I've got a transform here. Spawn manager there. Let's open the script again. I don't know if this is correct. This is like a not a good version of the of Visual Studio. I think I need to have a different version of Visual Studio. This is what I'm supposed to be using. What is this? Oh, it's the same. Oh shoot. Alright. So something's going on. I think I need to deactivate control from the player to get him to move properly, because I had to do that in an older game. Where's my move? Player dash break movement. So what we do is we're on here. So when we need to respawn, when we need to move the player, we gotta have to take his control away. So what we do is we say game object dot get yeah, something's up. I'm not getting IntelliSense, so we gotta fix that first before I can modify code. I think there's a preferences thing. So preferences, external tools. Okay, this regenerate. Okay, just close this, come back, scripts, spawn manager. Now let's see. Oh, bummer. Yeah, IntelliSense isn't working. Hang on, let me look at my extensions. Or let me go see my visual installer. Modify? I haven't touched it. Yeah, see, it's checked. It's gotta be a preferences thing. Oh, there it goes. What the hell? It fixed it. So let's come back here and look. Yeah, you can tell I'm not spawning where I need to be. Okay, so what we're gonna try is to deactivate our movement, and then once that's deactivated, reactivate it once we've technically we're teleporting, right? game object. So that's the player. We're gonna get his component, the movement component. We're gonna do set, set. We're gonna look at active, is active and enabled. No, there's a self enabled. There it is. Enabled equals false. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna say true. Okay. So deactivate, activate. We're gonna do the same for when we have to. Oh, okay. So something that's weird is that my respawn works. So if I go off the edge, I should be able to respawn. Yeah, there it goes. See, the respawn worked. Okay, so what's the difference? So here's my respawn. RB, game object, transform. See, all that goes fine. This, unfortunately, does not. Maybe I should respawn. Call the respawn? Because we set this. Find game object with game tag, yep. Maybe all this actually needs to happen before or after my rigid body check. Let's look at that. Let's try. No, it did not work. Okay, it's fine. So this works. This works great. If I look down here, this is my kill box, you know. My kill box script. Let's see what it does. Finds my player manager, yeah. Finds my spawn manager respawn. No problem. It follows this. Alright, let's try this. Let's do respawn. Let's just call that. That should get me that should put me where I need to be. Nada. It did not. Okay, maybe we switch this to on enable. On enable. Okay, hang on. So there's a Unity function I can call on enable or on wake. Shoot, I don't remember what the function is called. Let's look it up. So we'll just bring start back here. Gotta get rid of this. We have to look for another script to use. Okay, Unity on enable. This function is called just after object is enabled. This happens when monobehavior instance okay, let's do a start order. Start order Unity. Event functions. Okay, so awake, on enable, reset, start. Maybe awake. Maybe try awake. I'm playing with trying to get this to work. So let's try awake. Because we want it to go off like immediately whenever the player starts up. Did that work? No. And that still works. Alright, let's try something different. Okay, so I know that this is happening. So we're gonna do a test. Debug .log enter function. We're gonna come here, debug dot log, and we're gonna say something like call teleporting important player. Whatever, I just need to see that it's happening. So this? Oh, I see. Here we go. Okay, so let's have the console. Enter function, teleporting player. This shit did not work. Oop. Teleporting player. Alright, I got teleported. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so it is teleporting me. It is. But I don't think it knows what to do. So this is something we can do. We can say checkpoint private. Instead of private, we say a public checkpoint. And this way we can put in our first spawn point. So we come back over here. Now what we do is we say player, hey player. We go down to his spawn point. Now there's the game object here. We put in the spawn as his first place to go. Maybe it's just having a hard time finding the object before the player needs to spawn. No. Something's going on with that thing. Hang on, let's see. So let's check this out. Maybe it's something to do with this box. I'm gonna move it way up here. Yeah, see, the player comes right back to his normal location on start. So maybe in actuality I need to do this late. There is a late function. I don't want to do like a late update. I want to do at the end, not late update. I want to call it one time. Here's start. Fixed update. On draw, on application pause, on application on disable, on destroy. I don't want any of that. Late update's gonna call a whole bunch. Up. All right. There is nothing. There is no late start. We'll just come back to start. And then we'll say something like, this works. What if I don't? Well, one of the reasons I like stop the velocity and angular velocity is so that the player character, when they respawn, they're not like flying through the air still. Okay, yeah, I think disabling the movement would be helpful, because one thing is that there are other objects or other scripts that are editing the player's movement whenever the player spawns. So maybe those things, like the fact that they're editing the movement, like it updates. So let me open up these scripts and see which one might be doing that. Player. Let's go ahead and put all this stuff in here. Scripts. Boop, 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 boop. And drop it in. Oops. Drop all this stuff in here. It's gonna do its thing. Reloading. Yeah. Cool. Now we're gonna open up all these. Here they come. Okay. So player manager, spawn manager. Let's put these back here. I know I need spawn manager. I want to look at movement, because movement modifies the player's transform. Let me just find where it is. Here it is. Okay. Okay, so here's rigid body changes. Maybe I need to do something with the rigid body. I don't think the look script does anything to the body. Dash I know does. So maybe I need to modify dash, but it's only on like on command, and it's the same with break. So let's try this. We're gonna come into the spawn manager, and we're going to disable the movement script again, because we have a reference to this, like a solid reference to the checkpoint. I really honestly don't want to do it like this. I want it just to know what to go with. Game object. So we're going to disable again. Game object, get component, movement. Dot enabled equals false. Okay. This should be turning this off. So first thing is it turns off the player's movement. It's got to do this stuff in order, man. And then enable this. Oh, no, true. Now the movement up here. What? Whoa. Hey. What happened? It got quiet all of a sudden. There we go. Okay. So I don't want it to do any of this stuff. Get all this stuff. Yep. Okay, so we should be good now. Let's go ahead and try it out. I want to spawn up here. Nada. Okay, so I know that it's calling this function. So since I know that it's calling this function, what I want to do is I want to check to see what the checkpoint's transform is. So after we call this, I want to know, what are you referencing? What is the engine referencing as the checkpoint? Checkpoint. Checkpoint dot name. Yeah, I just want this. Okay, I want to know. I want some more stuff actually. Debug. Debug.log. What I want to know is checkpoint point dot location. Oh, transform dot location. Position. Sorry, transform dot position. That's what I want. So when we run the game, it should tell me the name of the thingy. It'll tell me the name of the thingy, and it will tell me its position. Spawn here. Okay. Now, another thing I want. Where's my script? Okay. This is cool and all. Now, what we do is we say game object dot transform dot position as well. Cool. We do that twice. So what's gonna happen is we should see our game object's first transform position, our respawn. Do we have to disable rigid body as well? RB dot enabled or set or active. Hang on, I gotta disable the rigid body. I think that may be messing me up as well. Give me a second. Let me see how to disable the rigid body. Rigid body unity. Because I just want to disable the component. Disable component. Okay. Let's see, and it's just like this. It's kinematic, or else destroy them and re-add them. Disables the physics body. Okay. Is kinematic equals to true, and okay. Maybe because the rigid body is changing its position, that is also causing an issue. Let's try that. It's gotta be one or the other, man. Let's try. Spawn. Okay. Is there a way for me to mute Unity just while I'm playing it? Huh? What the hecky? Enter function. Enter function. Checkpoints location. Teleportation. What? Wait. What? How did I set this up again? Okay. This is the player's first location. I start teleporting to spawn. The spawn's position is here. Quick transform. Okay, what if we just never turn the player's movement back on? Does he go right back to where he was? If he just goes right back to where he was again, then it's some other script that's preventing me from spawning properly. Oh shit, it worked. Okay. 1 second. Okay, so I know that this is not supported, so there's no reason to be doing that. Okay. Oh, I remember now. In my other game, I had to do a double check on the... What? What? Wait. Oh. So I do have to disable the rigid body? Huh. This is weird. So, but I remember basically like in the very beginning, you try to spawn somebody somewhere. And until like basically until the in the update function of the spawn manager, until the locations are matching, do not stop teleporting the player. So that's what I'm gonna do. So basically we're gonna say void update if here we'll just say we're gonna make another variable. We're gonna remove these debugs as well for now. I don't think it's necessary to have them because I know what the problem is. Whoa, what have I done? Ah, got it. Okay, so respawn works fine because like it's already running in update, and like once it gets moved, like once it goes, it won't allow like if the rigid body or the player's collider continues to try to continues to try to go into the zone, that zone is going to just keep teleporting them. So that zone won't allow the player to fall below a certain place. But since like technically wherever I place the player, like he's allowed to be there, his transform position won't update. Like it'll update and then like update will be like, oh, you know, he was over here, and it's gonna make like a decision based on like I guess random, like which position to place the player. So we have to do a double check in the update to make sure that, you know, the positions are equal. So if it doesn't equal, then we're gonna transport him. Okay, so and we want to have a boolean that says private bool is spawned or is moved, or yeah, I think that is spawn equals false. Okay, so and not is spawned. So basically, once he becomes spawned, we'll say is spawned equals true. And of course, is spawned starts out as false. So this will run, and if it doesn't, and this should update it. All right, let's check. We'll see. Whew, that did not work. And I'm also not moving somehow. Did I not save the script? Yeah, something's bugged. Game object transform position equals, yep. You said is spawned to true, yep. can't move. I can jump, but I can't control. Wait a second, something's up. Let's go back to the player. Let's look at their movements, fine. Did I leave somewhere in the spawn manager disabling the movement script? Shouldn't have. What? What's going on? Yeah, something's up. Okay, something weird's happening. Oh, there it is. God, of course. Right here. Okay, so I think I need to make this a different spot. So I need to have two if statements. So if it doesn't equal, if it does equal, do we say is spawned equals true? So if you are not spawned blank, I think I can just turn this into an else statement. If, meaning like if this does equal, I gotta figure out a way to make it so that he continues to get teleported until like we are sure that he's in the exact spot that he belongs. Is not spawned. Okay, so if it does equal and we are not spawned, then we set spawn to true, and then it'll stop with these checks. All right, let's try. Oh shoot, what happened? Oh, there. This needs to be an else if. There. Okay. Holy crap! Oh god! Okay. So I'm respawning fine, but it's like, whew, it's messing up. Like it's like shooting me all over the place. So I think what I need to do. Okay. So I am using the wrong thing here. This needs to be respawn. It needs to be my function. It needs to take out all of the angular, all of the rigid body velocity and angular velocity, because that's what's causing my guy to like shoot. All right, see that? There we go. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Excellent. Fixed it. Problem solved. All right. Okay, that didn't take too long. Let's go. Let's make sure this is saved. No disabling necessary. Now what we do, this is a prefab, so I think I can go back to my first level and make sure that it works. So scenes, sewers, sewer level. Let's go down here. Let's check this out. So now this spawn point should work. My player's over here, so he should spawn here, no problem. Neat, it works. Okay, also, let's get the kill box as a prefab so that whenever the player falls off the map, it'll save them. Let's look at the kill box. So here's the kill box. Holy moly. There we go. Okay, so kill box. It just has a kill box script. It's not even like, I don't even need it as like a prefab. I think I can just make it. I mean, it'd be nice to have a prefab. No, it's fine. I don't need it. Sewer level. Let's go down here. I feel like it would be impossible for the player to get, like, I'm not gonna say impossible, but they shouldn't be able to go very far. Okay, so go all the way down. Okay, we're gonna make this guy big. Okay. Okay, so I need to move it in the, yeah, let's do like 300 by 300. That was not right. 300. Okay, so when the player falls off, hits this thing, they'll be good to go. Do a trigger, turn off the mesh renderer, rename this to killbox, killbox, and then we're gonna come over here. All right, where's my script? Killbox script, flip. Cool. Now we're play, test the killbox, get my controller. I'm gonna like jump over this thing, hang on. Come on. Wait, I got this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, baby, let's go. Okay, works. No problem, spawn, mesh off. Okay, so that's killbox and respawning. Let's get level completion done. So flag is here. Okay, so in my other game, I handled object like activation. So like basically, oh, I get this, I get this, I get this, and I get this, and then the flag pops up. I want a really modular way to do this. I don't want to like only make one script and then have to remake it over and over again. But I know I'm gonna have to make some sort of level manager. I know that for these levels, I want to have like keys and stuff be a part of it. So maybe I just need to make a thing that holds an array. Oh shoot, because it needs to be active. So I can't. Okay, so let's draw a picture, I guess. Okay, so I have like this group of shit, you know, these things. I have a group of things that need to be collected. So these things need to be collected. That's simple enough. So collect your things. Man, I need my iPad. So we have to collect these things. So once we collect all the things, we have another group of things. So that's either flags or doorways or platforms or something. So the platforms, you know, like, okay, if we need a platform to jump on to cross like a gap or something. Once we collect all these things, these activate. I think that this is a good way to do this. But I will need some sort of script or manager here to look at this array and then activate this array. These objects will be deleted. Okay, so I do have a script for these. Where's the script? Okay, this is a collectible script. What did I write here? Number of lives, pickup sound, to activate. Oh yeah, so the collectibles themselves have like activation. So like, let's say I want to activate like one thing at a time. Okay, so I can show off how that works. So we take this bottle, call it the first one. Let's say we deactivate these bottles. Now this bottle, this has a to activate in it, and we activate this bad boy. Now, we come to this guy. So basically, these activate functions are called whenever we pick up the object. So if we pick up this one, so we could do it like this, which I'm not super keen on because I want to make this system. Because like there might be a group of things. Like this is very linear. You have to do one bottle at a time. And let's say I want to collect all the bottles. So like not until this array is empty or filled up or whatever, this script will look at this array, and once it's filled up, then this activates instead of like one thing at a time. I mean, this will work for this level, I think, but I still want to create that other thing. Did I make it? Oh wait, okay, so this bottle activates 1, this one activates 2, 2 activates 3, and then 3, oh shoot, and then 3 activates the flag. So let's try that out. Okay, here's the bottle. So this one activates that one. This one activates that one. And this one activates that one. And the level's over. Alright, level complete. No problem. Easy peasy. See, that's not so hard. Okay, I think I'll leave this level like this. And then I'll just make the, like, puzzle manager script in the next level. What I need to do now is fix it so that I can go to the next level. So I need a level scene change. Okay, so here there is an object here that if you collide with it, this will trigger the finish line script. This finish line script is the thing that should be sending you to the next level. Okay, so it's been a little while since I've had to do this. So we'll do public string next level. Just like that. So you have to type in the name of the next level. Let me just go look up how to do the level selection again. Change levels, or change scenes. Scenes in Unity. It's an easy way to do this. I don't want any of this craziness. There it is. Okay, so load scene. You can do build index or you can do scene name. This is what I want to do. Mode. I've never looked at modes. Let's look at this. What kind of modes are there? Single and additive. Adds the scene to the current loaded scenes. Not necessary, but cool to know. Maybe use that later. Okay. I think I need to have a thingy, a library included in the scene for the scene manager. Let's open this. Scene loaded, scene unloaded. Let's just try it and see what happens. Next level. Bam, boom, bing, bang. That should be it. Get this out of here. We don't need this stuff. What the heck do I look like? What do I look like, huh? Alright. Okay, so then we come back here. Here's my finish line. We'll tell it to load the next scene. Sewer level 2. Sewer level 2. Okay, now the cool thing, or the thing that I have to remember to do, is to put all the scenes in here so that they'll be able to get loaded. Let's try this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Loaded. Hey, baby! Let's go. Shit. Yeah. Nice. Sweet. Great. Okay. Okay. So another thing that I have to do, I forgot this. That works fine, which I'm happy about. I have to make it so, like, based on the game or the level, the player will not have certain abilities. So they can't jump, dash, or like gravity shift in the sewer levels. So I need to make a way. I need to find a place to put a script that turns that off. So they can't do it. Maybe a level manager. I think an empty game object. Create empty. Rename to level manager. Just like that. We're gonna add a script. Level manager. Yep. Level manager. So, now, this is, I have another script here. This is what I want to do. I want my player manager script to be the thing that turns off the other scripts. I don't want to have to reference the components in that other script, so I'm gonna do it all from here. Okay, so let's go look. Level manager. Set up this script. The way I want it to be is that this thing has a bunch of booleans. Public boolean. We'll say jump. Public boolean dash. Oh, these are, I shouldn't be capitalizing these. Whoopsie. Sorry. Dash. Public bool. We'll call this gravity shift. Yeah. We'll set these equal to false for now. So basically, on start, false. And then we're gonna do private, something. Hang on. Private player manager. So we're gonna reference that player manager script. So we gotta get a hold of it. Player equal to tag, no, game object dot tag. Find game object with tag. So the tag for the player is obviously player. So we get that game object. Yes. No, something is wrong here. Find game object with blank player manager. Ah, gotcha. So, and then we gotta get component. So we found the player, then we get the component player manager. Oh God, I spelled it wrong. Player manager. So that's the script with the player manager. Now, cool. So I got that. Now we say if well, everything is enabled by default. So if we say if not jump, if not jump. So basically, geez, player and deactivate jump. So this will be the name of the function that I write. God, what's up with my keyboard today? Okay, so this doesn't exist yet. I don't care. Okay, if jump, if not dash. This is like a really like backwards way of doing it, but it's the way it works in my brain, so I don't really care. Activate dash. And then this one is going to be gravity shift. Okay, now what we do is in the player manager script, we're going to write all these helper functions down here. Public void activate. I'm going to write both. So like there might be a situation where I'll want to like activate or deactivate and then reactivate the jump in the level. So like if something causes my jump to go away and not necessarily like the overall level not having it as an ability, like let's say like an enemy can cause my jump to go away if they hit me or something like that, I want to have this as a public function that I can have that enemy reference. And then like if a timer is going to go off, once that timer goes off and it reactivates. So this is just for like future proofing. So activate jump. Whoops. And then public void deactivate. Deactivate jump. Neat. God. Stop trying to help me, Visual Studio. I don't need it. So the player manager, I don't think I have direct references to those things. So what we'll do is we'll just say, I think I can just do get component here. And we'll say jump. Just like that. Dot enabled equals false. Just like this. And then we'll do the same on the other end over here. Since these components are isolated to this game game object, we'll have the game object itself do all of the activating, deactivating of its scripts, just like this. So we'll come here. Oops. Activate. So then we'll say dash. I want the only like ability that I want the player to continuously have is movement, looking around, and braking. I think braking is really important, especially for these areas that are like, oh, not platforming, but like balance. Like you have to balance around on a board or something, or go up a like a plank, and it's like a narrow. And then this will be gravity rush or gravity dash, gravity shift, gravity shift, gravity shift. I forgot what the script is called for this, because there is one. Where's the player? There it is. I think there's a script for gravity shift. Don't tell me it's in movement. Please don't tell me I did I? Hang on. How do I gravity shift? Is it movement? Movement. Oh, it is. Okay. Wait, what? Player invert gravity. On gravity shift. Invert gravity. Where's this function at? It's at the player manager? Wait, where the hell? Movement. This. Player is my player manager, and it calls a invert gravity function out of the player manager. Where is that invert gravity? Okay, here's invert gravity. Gravity equals negative gravity. Okay. Gravity equals true. So it's a Boolean. So who is referencing this? Is it movement still? Player gravity. Here's gravity. If gravity, adding in the opposite force, and then this. Crap. Okay, it's a little... So the gravity shift is a little bit more important. Okay. So who calls on gravity shift player invert gravity? I think on gravity shift is a controller action in my game. So let me go look at that. I think it's a controller thing. I don't know if I have gravity shift on the keyboard. That's not good. I think we need to bring this... I think I need to bring gravity shift out and make it its own script. So let's do that. So I want it to still be here. Oh, come on. Where am I? Where am I? Who am I? Ah! Okay, here we go. Yeah, okay. So let's do that. We're going to take gravity shift and we're going to remove it. Or we're going to make it modular. Gravity shift. This new. Okay, there it is. We're going to make this, put this in the player folder. And then move it here. Okay. Gravity shift. Okay, so I just have to... I know that it's a part of the movement script, and I know that it's a part of the player manager. So on gravity shift, player invert gravity. This needs to come out of here. This definitely needs to come out of here. So we're gonna put it here. So let me double check. I think there's a library for the input system. Yes, I need to put this also into my gravity shift. There you go. Now I need a reference to the player script. That's fine. That's totally fine. Player manager script. So private player manager player. Shoot, sorry. Player manager. Player, there's my variable. Now player equals game object. Game, oh wait, this is attached. Player equals get component player manager. Beautiful. So we're attached now. So now whenever we get the call to on gravity shift from the controller, it'll do the thingy. Okay. Now back in here, this is the stuff that is handling the gravity of the game. I can take this. I can take this and move it out. I just want to double check to make sure that it's not going to ruin everything else. Gravity is grounded. That's fine. That's fine. Player is grounded. Action, acceleration, which is here. Else, action, acceleration. So when you're not grounded, okay, so this is all the gravity script right here. So we take it out. Put it in the update function. There you go. Beautiful. So I do have it. I need a rigid body reference. Private rigid body RB. We'll say RB equals get component rigid body. Shoot, hang on. There you go. There's my rigid body. Oh, I named it full. Rigid body. Body. Rigid body. There. I also have a G-force. I have a G-force thing here. So this is actually, I need to because my game runs a certain way, I need to double check that number that is in G-force. So movement, my G-force is 1,000. So I need to make sure to put that as the default here for G-force. So, okay. And then what we'll do is say public G-force equals, float, it's a number, 1,000 F, drop that there, and then double check. So we'll come look at how G-force is being used. I don't believe this gravity vector is being used in the script. Is it over here? Nope. Nope. So we'll delete this. Let's look at G-force. It says 5 here. That's not right. Okay. Let's just double check to make sure it's not used anywhere else. Not modified, not anything. Okay. Good. 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 G-force times 2. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, so now, I got compiler errors. This stuff. Deactivate gravity shift, deactivate gravity shift, deactivate dash, deactivate jump. This is deactivate. Did I spell it wrong? Deactive. Oh, I did. I did spell it wrong. Deactivate. There it is. Relax. Okay. So the functions are there, but I need to make sure. Oh, I just realized this turned off. There we go. I guess it's only been 30 minutes. How have I only been streaming for 30 minutes? It feels like so much longer. Is there a way for me to tell how long I've been streaming? Hang on. No, I guess not. Oh, no, here it is. 1 hour and 12 minutes. Okay, well, that's not bad. I'll keep working. This. This. Now there is a script that is gravity shift. So that script exists. Gravity shift. Those scripts exist now. This is it right here. Now, one thing is that I should be able to press E and have gravity shift work. I don't remember being able to do that. I want these to be on. What? What? What happened? Is there a box here? Yahoo! Oh crap. Okay. Gravity shift is working. Now, this, whenever I press that, it should like take away gravity shift. I should not be able to shift. Yeah, no gravity shift. Oh, but oh no. Okay. But gravity isn't working the way I want it to now. Okay, that's a problem. Because I isolated gravity into that script. These are my gravity. This is my gravity stuff. Shoot. This is my inversion. This is my gravity. This tells me up or down. So how do I deactivate? Okay, I don't want to turn the script off, but I just want to make it so that you can't invert. So invert gravity. Oh, okay. Cool thing. Player manager is where I have the invert gravity script. So when I have the level manager deactivate gravity shift, all I need to do is have the player manager say, like, give me a Boolean that says no inversion. No, that doesn't work though, because I want to be able to use this function in environmental objects. So that pushes it more towards, I need to be able to deactivate and prevent these functions from running. So I don't want this function to ever run. If I deactivate gravity shift, you can't run this, and you shouldn't be able to press this button. Excuse me. Then that means, okay, we're gonna write another function, private, I'm just trying to see, like, no. So we can have this function. This function already looks at the player. Maybe we can make a public Boolean, or a public Boolean. Yeah, public bool can shift equals true all the time. So can shift will be can shift gravity. Can the player shift? I'm not gonna write that. I don't. Can shift gravity. It's literally in the name of the variable. I don't need to write that. But this. So instead of deactivating, can shift gravity. Can shift gravity equals true. Very cool. That's not right. True. And then we make it the other in false. False. Okay, so now we have this Boolean that we're looking at. So then we say, okay, if we pressed E and player says can shift gravity is equal to true. If player can shift gravity, hey man, you do your thing. Now we say over here, this will be called in as a message. So if we say if, hey, what the heck? Player can shift gravity. If it's called in as a message and we can shift gravity, then you do it. Cool. This should be good. If it's not, I'm gonna kill myself. Alright, let's go look. Here we are. So, you can't gravity shift. Fine, whatever. So, I press the button for gravity shift. Gravity's working. No gravity shift. No gravity shift. Beautiful. I can still jump. I can still dash. Still jump, still dash. Still jump, still dash. Great. Alright. Let's do another one. Let's try taking away dash and jump. Hey, what the hell? Hey, what? I can still do it. You lied to me. Level manager. Where's my level manager? Here's level manager. If not jump, player deactivate jump. If not, so this should just mean false. And then player manager goes and does the thing I asked it to do. Activate, deactivate, there. There, okay, let's try again. So what I wanna go look at is when I have the level manager saying all that stuff is off, I go to my player, I look at his scripts, jump and dash are off. Where the hell is gravity shift? There it is. It's all the way down here. Right up here. Here's gravity. You son of a... Up, see. Add a component, apply. So again, I should see these scripts turn off. And they absolutely do. I should not be able to jump in it still. And I should not be able to dash still. Something is up. Let's go double check. Something else. So let's go look at the scripts themselves. Dash and jump. So the on jump calls this stuff inside of the jump function. So if the function is not active, this stuff should not be happening. Somehow, I believe that because this script defines this, whenever I press the button, it still does it. One thing that we can do to confirm this is to put a debug here. So we put a debug here, and this will tell us, hey, you're still pressing the gravity shift button. Oh god, but it's not deactivated. Okay. It's just getting more complicated. I thought I could just deactivate, or I could just turn those damn scripts off and they wouldn't do anything. What happens if I just turn off look? Wait. So by that logic, if I just turn these off in general, I shouldn't be able to jump or dash. I also didn't test spacebar. Well, look. It's trying to jump still. You suck. I think that because it like defines the function is stored in memory. Yeah, so the controller still works. Why did he jump like that? What the hell's going on? Break. Oh, I remember why. Okay, so there's something up with the spawn. This thing. I don't know what the box collider is off. It literally should not be doing anything. I feel like I'm bouncing off the box. Yeah, see, I'm like hitting something. Weirdness. It's weird. I'm not gonna worry about it. Yeah, it's been weird. Okay, so let me think. The function gets called into memory, so it exists. So that means I just need to make booleans for the other two, which is just it's just infuriating. It's like inflating the player manager script, and like that bugs the hell out of me. Whatever, it's fine. Public bool can jump. It's always true unless otherwise stated. Public bool can dash, okay, equals true. Fine. Let's take these, put them up here instead. So now we're not deactivating the scripts, we're only adding booleans. Here. Can jump equals true. Okay. Can jump equals false. Activate dash. Can dash equals true. And can dash. and dash. Those other scripts should have references here anyways. So I don't think it'll be that much of a problem. Dash, let's go look. No, it does not. Okay. Private player manager player equals get get component split player manager. No, incorrect. What the heck, man? Okay. Why? What's wrong? Did I spell something incorrectly? Component. Cannot implicitly convert player manager to Unity type input system. Oh. Bugger. Relax. Okay. So, now, if timer blah 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 and player can dash. If you're allowed to dash, then you can dash, buddy, pal. We're gonna put this check also in here. And can dash. Holy crap. What? How did I do that? There. Can dash. If you can dash, you can dash. If you press the button, if timer's ready, if the player can dash, then he will dash. If the timer's ready and the player can dash, he will dash. Okay. Everybody else, relax. Jeez. Jump. Okay, now we've got to do the same thing here. I have a player manager though, which is cool. Yeah, awesome. So that means we just need to do a check here. Wait. If you press the spacebar and the player is grounded, or you are inside of the timer, and here, player can jump. Cool. Same thing for here. If you are grounded or you have the timer, we have to put parentheses around this. And you can jump. Player can jump. Sweet. Okay, that should fix that issue. So the keyboard behaves, but the controller needs this extra boolean because those functions, like, they call as messages, and if they exist inside memory, then they just they do that thingy. Flip. Flop. Flip. Flop. Okay, and then we go here. Nice. Okay, one thing that I want to fix is yeah, and we can jump still. I want the music to be continuous between levels. So I have a do not destroy script in another game that I want to import into here. I gotta just go find it. Give me a second. Let's go to GitHub. Maybe GitHub got it. Let's see if GitHub got it. Here we go. Go my repositories. Cult to the Crow. Now in assets, scripts. What is this? Holy cow. None of this stuff is it. Let's go back. I think maybe interactables. Don't destroy. This is it. There she is. Okay, so don't destroy. String object ID on awake. Object equals name transform blah 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 blah. You get the ID. you run through the objects of the same type, or of the do not destroy type. You run through them. Now you say object, find object of type do not destroy equals this. This will not work. This won't work, unfortunately. The reason being is that between levels, the object ID will always be different. I only want to spawn one instance of my music and then delete it whenever I quit the game. This isn't going to work, unfortunately. Yeah, bummer. That's okay. I can still do something else. I think maybe what happens is when you first start the game, you will always go into this loading screen. I think this is what I'll do. I have to save this image. Wait. I gotta put it on my Discord. Hang on. This is a coding problem. Oh, no. Here. Let's go to... One second. Development, feature request, devlog, to do, playtest, stretch goals, culling scripting. Put this here. Okay. Let's close this. Okay, so start button. You move into a state where the music is. So music is here. And all other singletons, so like singletons, all singletons will be here. And then you move into, oh, hang on. This is start / level select. Okay, so start level select. From here, you go into the singleton, and then this branches off into whatever level. Level 1, level 3, level 6, and then from there you progress the normal levels. Like, like normal. So from here, level 5, yeah. So then you just progress through the levels like normal. Now let's say you want to exit. Whenever you decide to exit, let's say there's an exit state. Exit state, everybody can like combine into the exit state of the game. Everyone can exit, and then it's back here. Okay. And this is where we delete the information. Delete singletons. Delete data. So this is where we clean up, is in this state. Okay. That's good. That works. I think I'll do this. Let me just put this into, it's another coding problem. Okay. Unfortunate, I couldn't use that. Bummer. What I need to remember though is how to make something do not destroy, so that it persists between do not destroy Unity object do not destroy on load. Excuse me, sorry. This is weird. Let me go. I'm actually gonna go back because I did not see the do not destroy in that script. I feel like I should have seen it in that script. What's it called? Yeah, GitHub. Let me just go look again. Well, let's go to scripts. Interactables. dialogue, environment maybe? Okay, I don't think there was an alternative that I used. Scene management? No. It's gotta be this. It's gotta be this. So don't destroy. Hide inspector, string object ID, public void awake, object blah blah blah. Don't destroy, unload this. Ah, okay. This is it. So I think I will have to make... I'm gonna have to make something that like does this kind of thing. This is good script, but I don't think it's what I need. I mean, okay, no. Don't get me wrong. I can use this. Actually, I can use this exact script. The only thing is it's not gonna do any of this. This is like, like between levels that you revisit over and over again. If you are revisiting a level, this script goes and finds that object that was in the original level and deletes it. The cool thing is that with this architecture for the levels, we don't have to worry about ever returning here at any point to like reload the singletons. So we come here, it loads up our music, and then we go play through the levels, blah, 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 normal stuff. When we exit, it deletes all of the singletons and we come back to the main menu. Yeah. Now, if there's any points where we want to change music in here, what's going to happen is it'll just change the music that's on the object. So there's like an object in here that is the audio source. So audio source, that audio source will get its like, it'll be updated by the level itself. So if there's like a, change music, the level itself will have the change music. Okay, that's fine. So we'll take this. I want to download this. Cool. I want this in my game. So I'm going to cut this out of here. Let's go desktop, Unity, projects, VelocityRush, assets, scripts, paste in here. There it is. Close that. Back out. I'm going to wait for it to reload. Wait. Give it a second. All right, cool. It should be in here now. Oop, it is not. It's got... Oh, this is the player scripts. Hang on. It's right here. Don't destroy. Okay, cool. Now, what we need to do... So this kind of leads us into a section where we need to like make the start menu, and we need to make the intermediate loading level. Yeah, why not? Let's tackle it. Shouldn't be too hard. So this is my current title screen. You can't see crap. Here's my current title screen. VelocityRush. Why is it? Whatever. Okay, so basically, when you press this button, the game starts. So I need to make a loading scene. And I need to put my audio into it. I need to pass a couple of things through. I need it to pass what song to use and to load into the audio source. So we're gonna come here. Okay, I just need to think. Title screen. Okay. Should only have to load one time. This kind of game doesn't need a whole bunch of loading. Let's look. Let's look for it. A scene. Load. In scene. So in this loading scene, don't need any of this stuff. What we need is we need an audio source. This is game music. Rename game music. Okay, cool. Now, in this audio source, this is when we come into the loading scene. This is the thing that needs the do not destroy on it. Scripts. Do not destroy. Okay, so here it is. Put that there. So this will make it a do not destroy object, meaning it's a singleton. It'll exist. We do need to make some script that's game music. So whenever we load, there needs to be something that exists before from the title screen. We need something in the title screen that exists that will tell us what audio to use when we load. Okay, so maybe actually what we can do is from the title screen have the music playing. Yeah, okay. So instead, so the diagram actually starts here. So we take this away. And we take this, put it really close. So this is actually one thing altogether. So the title screen has a singleton that exists, and when we start, it loads the levels. Okay. Yeah. I think this will work actually. Okay. So let's take this and let's go to that other scene. Loading scene, test scene, title screen. We're here. Okay. Game music. Here's an audio source playing the title music. Okay. All right. Goal. What is this? No, I don't need that. Oh, okay. I see what's going on. It's just a bunch of crap that's like... Okay. So we don't care about any of that. What we care about is this button in here. There's a button here. I have a button. There should be a button. Where's my buttons? Hang on. Sorry. Wait, what? Where are my buttons at? These are just, I don't really care about any of these things. Something weird. Oh, there we go. There's my buttons. Okay, so on click, we do something. Okay, we do need a level selection system. Yeah. Okay, so I have to figure that out in a second. Well, let's just like make this simple. Let's do a empty game object, and we'll do shoot, what was it called in my other game? Hang on. Jeez Louise. Let's just back up here. Scene management. Scene loader. That is what I want. So the scene loader. Next scene. Scene loader and the next scene. The finish line is the thing that handles the scenes. Okay, that's fine. The finish line will always be the thing that handles the next scenes. That's fine. Scene loader is actually a very important piece of script that I think I'll have to take. That I'll have to get as well. Scene loader, public close game, quit application. That's fine. Void load scene. So for each game object in the array, you set the activation to true. If is a reset, you destroy all of the objects in this array. Objects and find type game objects. So you delete everything. Destroy everything. And then you load the next scene. That's fine. That's all fine. I don't mind all that. This though, this activate array. What does this mean? Void load scene. What is this for? Why do I do that in this? I don't think this is necessary for this thing, but I will download this. I will use this. So let's go ahead and take this again. We're gonna cut this up. Go to my desktop, projects, VelocityRush, scripts, and we're gonna put it here. Okay, we'll edit it. Of course we'll edit it like to match, but the scene loader I know is a very important script that I was using in the other game. Rename this how do I rename it? Scene loader. Okay, this is something. So like on the level select menu, I should be able to select whatever I want. In the other game, it was like per button. So here I will want to put on a scene loader. I don't need it here. I need it here instead. So we come here, we find my script. There's my scene loader. We hit the start button and put the scene loader into the start button. So there's my scene loader. It's not a reset. I don't have to activate anything. Booga, booga, booga. All right, we gotta come here. Aha! Is reset kills the do not destroy objects. So the scene loader in the exiting scene will have an is reset. Great. Not bad. That's great. And any buttons in my pause menu, if I need to return to the menu, will also be a reset. Okay. Excellent. So this is going to be sewer level 01. Now if we hit play. Oh crap, I didn't attach the button. Hang on, sorry. No, cancel. Everybody relax. This needs to be here. I need to start button function scene loader load scene. I believe that's it. Wait, where's my scene loader? Crap. Sewer level edit script load scene. Yeah, it works. What the hell? How is it calling itself? Oh, no. Just kidding. Scene loader, its function load scene calls the scene manager's load scene function. Okay, that should work. Sorry, I'm freaking out. I'm panicking. All right, start. Awesome. Okay, but that's not the reason I did this though. That's not the main reason I did this. So this is more so why I did this. So we come here to game music, make this 0.5 first because we want to be able to turn it up and down. This thing, do not destroy on here is really important. We go to music VelocityRush, put that in there, right? Great. We gonna make a tag. We're gonna say main music or game music. Okay. Come here. Make this game music. Alright, cool. So this will do not destroy and it'll play my VelocityRush demo song. Now I need to go back to the scenes. Let's open the scene and look for the music. Level, music. Okay, we delete this. We don't want any music in the level. the level manager actually could be the thing that changes the music. So that's great. That's a perfect spot to do that. So I'll do that. Man, why is my stream so far behind? Wait a second, something's up. Is it behind? It looks crazy behind. Well, how is let me just I want to check on my phone. Give me a second. Let me see how far it actually is behind. Man, why is my stream? No, it's not. Okay, I'm sorry. It's just it looks that way on YouTube Studio. YouTube is stupid sometimes. All right, let's continue. So my level manager will be the thing that changes the music to what I want it to be. That's fine. Why does this look so crazy? Oh, I see. Level music. Turn that off. Okay, that's fine. Level 3. I forget that this is here. Music. Oh, Ethan showed me something really funny the other day that I want to just put into the game for funsies. Hang on, I gotta go download some music. Hang on, let's see. YouTube. Uncle Uncle Ruckus theme. A minute should be fine. Oh my god, an advertisement. I don't want this on the screen. Skip it. Yes. Yes, dude. Let's do it. Oh, wait, hang on. I'm not doing anything illegal. YouTube MP3. This isn't illegal. No way. Alright, come on. I just want to... So, I'm just downloading this to test. It's not to use. I'm just testing. Right. So we're going to go here. Sounds, music. Downloads. Wait. Downloads. Drop this in. Okay. So I'm gonna write this script to get the level manager to change the music for me. So I'll only have one version of the music playing at a time. I won't have to reload it, and it's gonna be persistent through every level until I decide to delete it. So that's what we're gonna do. So back, I'm gonna test this first. So the game music should be playing whenever I start the game, here. Yeah, I hear it. Now, it should continue to play as I go through the levels. Awesome. That's beautiful. Okay, I should be able to go through this level. I shouldn't be able to jump. Shouldn't be able to dash. Shouldn't be able to gravity rush. Okay, good. Awesome. Oh, damn. Killbox? No killbox. Okay, there's no killbox in that level. That's fine. It just means I just need to fix that. Now, I need to change the script of the level manager to change the music. So public audio clip level music, and then we'll put the music in. Okay, and we also need a private audio source, a game music. Okay, now game music is equal to game object dot find tag. Find game object with tag, and it's gonna be called, why does it always do that? Game music. Okay, and then we're gonna get the component off of this game object, audio. We want the audio source off of here. Okay, now on shoot. Okay, so if level music is not null, meaning if there is a new level music applied, then we will change the music. I just have to, so game music dot, I don't really remember. I think I can just change its audio clip to be what I want it. Hang on, let's just go look at what the name is in Unity for an audio source. Shoot, sorry, there's gonna be errors. Why is it reloading? It doesn't need to reload. So it's called audio clip. Let's just try that. Game music. Play. I don't want to play one shot. I'll just say play. What is this overload? Oh crap. Play. Come on. Show me the overload. What's the overload? With a delay. Okay, that's not right. I don't want to play a one shot. Audio clip. How do you change its audio clip? Okay, hang on. Let's consult the internet. How to change an audio source's audio clip. Oh, is it just clip? Oh. Game music, clip. Ah, easy. Easy enough. And then level music. There. So, if the level music variable is not null, meaning there is a new level music, then you'll change its clip to level music. And game music dot play. Cool. Let's just I don't know if it like is gonna be weird about it, so we'll just like stop and start again. So stop the current music, play the new music. This audio source I want to always loop. Now, I'm too lazy to play test for that long. I'm sure we'll get around to seeing it like happen eventually, but this should be looping no problem. Meaning that when the song ends, it'll start again. I don't know if that loop stays that way though. All right, let's go in here. Sewer level. So when it starts up, it should be playing that. And then I come here and I say sounds, music, boondocks, and we'll plop that in there and see if that goes and does what I want it to do. Yeah, neato. Let's see. Scenes, title screen. Let's try this. I'm gonna try my controller to make sure this works. You know, my controller's working, no problem. Press A. It works. Ethan, look, dude. Wait, is that Ethan? I think that's Ethan. Ethan, look. I'm playing the Uncle Ruckus sound. Oh my god. It's so funny, dude. It's still playing! Holy shit, that's so funny. Holy crap. Got it. Alright, hang on. Yeah, I did. I put the Uncle Ruckus sound in. Okay. Hang on. Get this stuff. It makes me laugh, dude. It's so funny. There we go. All right. Okay, so that's music persistence. That's level select. Well, no, that's title screen. That's title screen, start button, music persistence, level management. Can change the song. So if I come in here and I go to my, I don't have a level manager in here. Okay, I need to make a level manager. This needs to be a prefab because it needs to come into every single one. I'm gonna put it here, level manager. So there's a level manager. There's my spawn. Yeah, I put a like aperture that like makes the background a little bit blurrier. I was playing around with post-processing effects, and yeah, the post-processing effects are really cool. I can do a couple of things actually, but I need to get all of your opinions about it. And also thanks for the like recommending to start streaming. I think you're right. Like, at least in terms of progress, like this also shows like my thought process on this stuff. So I think streaming is a good idea for these things. If you want, you work on this stuff with me, dude. Like you can be in Discord with me. I just don't know how it'll affect the audio. You don't have to watch the stream. You can like hang out and in Discord and I can like run you through stuff. It's up to you though. So here's my level manager. I made a prefab that has the Uncle Ruckus as the default. Whoops. Whatever, I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Okay, one thing, I need to turn my player around here. That did nothing. That did absolutely nothing. How do I get it to like look the other way? What? What? Crap. How do I get this to rotate? Oh. I guess like this. I don't want to have to do that every time. Whatever. Well, I kind of want to fix this as well, if that's the case. Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax. Is it that sensitive? Holy shit. Relax. That should be fine. Okay, that should be fine. These belong in a levels. Hang on. Whoops. Yeah, let's put that in here. So they're part of that. Okay. Oh, okay. That's another thing I need to make a prefab. I need to go over here. I need to go, no. Yeah, scenes. Level 1. Save that. This needs to become a prefab. Take this, make it a prefab. Let's make it a prefab variant because it has that. And then we take this and we deactivate it again. Okay. Then we come to scenes. I guess this one will be one that's like collect all of them. So this is a good point for me to use, like take the level manager. No, because that's the thing. Like a level might have multiple puzzles. It's not just one like overall thing. So I need to make like a puzzle manager instead. Oh, okay. So something I can do to also test is go into scene 2 or level 2. I'm gonna put the level manager in. I'm gonna put the flag down here. Let's just make sure it's like centered. Okay, centered. Let's turn it off. Okay, there. Now, that's fine. One thing I can do to test is I can put my jump here. So if whenever I get to this level, I can jump, we'll know that the level manager is working as intended. Let's go ahead and also change the music in this level to make sure that that's also working. We'll make it sewer level 2. Like this. Say yes. Come out. Scene. Title screen. Let's go. Okay. Great. Good. All right. Okay. Okay, the music changed. Ooh, I almost fell. Wait, I should be able to jump. Oh, I can jump. Okay, so level manager is working the way I want it to. I can jump now. Okay, cool. All right, so that's all working the way I want. Now it's a good chance for me to make the puzzle manager in this thing. So like the goal is collect all of these things and then this will activate. So it's, I don't know if I want to do it by points, like a point system or what. Like have all of these reference them. No, maybe it's like once the array becomes empty, like you've collected all the things and the array is empty, it'll unlock. It's that diagram I wrote or drew before. Okay, let's just write it. We'll just call it a puzzle manager. Create empty. Puzzle manager. Okay. I don't know if there's a way to check if an array is empty. Let's ask the internet. Let's see if the internet knows. Unity, check if an array is empty. An entire array is empty. No. You do this instead. Is array empty? Essence array equals null or essence array length equals 0. Return true. This is cool. I like this. The length thing is cool. So what I could do... Alright, I get it. Alright, with just that's enough. So we'll add a puzzle manager. Just call it new script. Alright, here we go. Let's just edit this bad boy. So I'm gonna have 2 arrays. So we're gonna do a public game objects array called toCollect, and this is gonna be objects toCollect public game objects. Whoops, sorry. Holy crap. Game objects to activate. So once we've collected all the OBJs, we activate this array. Okay, now okay, so really quick, I'm gonna check to see that as I just gather the game objects, they become destroyed. debug.log toCollect.length. I think that works. Yeah. Do I not need to put a thing here? Yeah, I guess not. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. So here's the puzzle manager. To collect. Okay, so that is something I need to do. So now, originally in each level, I grouped the bottles into like the levels. So I'm gonna take the bottles and I'm gonna put them here instead. So like this puzzle manager is gonna keep track of all the bottles. And it also makes it easier. Like, well, this puzzle manager will keep track of all the bottles that are associated with this particular puzzle. So these bottles will go into this array. Shit. Hang on. Okay. Hold on. Give me a second. Fuck. How do I add this to the puzzle manager thing easily? Is there a way to add this easily? Is there not an easy way to add this? Shit. I don't want to add like every fucking bottle, dude. Shoot. Okay. I mean, whatever, I'll just do it. Fuck it. Whoopsie. Can I sort this? Is there a way to sort this? Like easily? I guess not. Whatever, it's fine. I don't like this. Okay, there's gotta be an easier way to do this. Is there a way to check to see how many game objects a child is? Whoopsie. Is there a way to see how many objects? Oopsie. Objects are childed under a game object in Unity? How do I tell how many childs an object has? Sweet. Holder. Also transform child count works too. Transform.childCount. Transform. Object.transform. Children link. Declare an array containing the children. Populate the array as following. Children equals game object, game components in children. Game components in children dot transform. Okay, so so what I can do is bunk. Let's just put the player manager itself in, and what we do, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to type some words. Game object dot, oh shit, hang on. To collect, no, that's not right. Game object dot transform dot child count. Okay. All right, let's try that. Let's see what happens. What's the worst that could happen? Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Let's see. This spawn manager, oh, it's looking for a spawn, whatever, it's fine. 14. 13, okay, cool. I think it is working. Nice. 9. 8. 9. 7. 6. 3. missed. Okay, hang on. Let's go on this plank. 1, 0. Okay, cool. So that works. Now the thing I care about is more so. Oh, I'm like an empty game. Oopsie. I don't know what I'm doing. Create empty. We call this bottles. Okay, so here's the bottles. Put these in here. And then we're gonna also put my flag in here as well. So everything is in here. The puzzle manager handles this stuff. To activate is gonna be my flag. Cool. And then the bottles right there. Okay. Now I go look at the script. Now. This no longer needs to be an array. So, to collect, yeah. So we then change this to if to collect transfer child count equals 0, then we do some cool stuff. For each game object obj in to activate obj dot enable set active true, like that. Okay, so if there's multiple things we want to activate, we can activate them. If we're collecting, we're just seeing if that game object's child count is 0. That if it is 0, that means we've collected everything in that thingy. Okay. It's weird. It's weird because if let's say I just need to collect a key. I need to make like a game object, and then I need to blah, 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 blah. Okay, I could do something different, maybe. Like, there will only ever be one key to a puzzle? No, damn, that's hard. Hang on, let me think. I mean, I could have multiple keys. If there are multiple keys, I'll just use this. If it's just one object, then I need to do something different. I need to have that one object reference the thing. Because I really, like, it makes it awkward. I don't want to use it to where it's like, oh, because like in this instance, I can, combine all of the bottles up into one parent. But if it's one key, it'll be awkward to have to put a key into a parented object. And that's weird. It just doesn't suit. It doesn't fit right, or like it doesn't like feel efficient or look good in the file management, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So what we do instead, oh, okay, this is what we can do. So we say public game object, yep, object, and we call it key. We have a reference to that thing. So we have this puzzle manager reference the key, and then if they get the key, so if we've collected all the children, or we have the key has key, or if we have the key, we say private bool has key equals false. Now, this game object key, if key is destroyed, okay, Let's see if there's a way to do that. I want to basically check to see if there's a way to check if something exists or not. How to check if a game object has been destroyed. Good. How to detect if a game object has been destroyed. Let's see what they do. If whatever, if something doesn't equal null, spawn thing enabled. If spawn thing equals null, spawn thing is instantiated, spawn thing is enabled. Okay. So let's go ahead and say yeah. Oh no. Okay. This is what we want to do. If or we don't need a boolean. All we need to do is say key if key equals null, basically. So if key equals null, that means the key has been destroyed, and then we can set active. Okay, so in that case, let's go over here and make a duplicate object. Call this the bottle key. Go to the puzzle managers and we'll put the bottle key right here. It's this one. So now, if we collect this bottle, it should activate. What the hell is going on? Puzzle manager. The variable collect puzzle manager has not been assigned. To collect has not been assigned. What? To collect. To activate. What? That should have been the bottles. Flag to collect. To activate. Okay. Yeah, that should be fine now. Now I should only see the puzzle manager acting up. Or the spawn manager is the only thing acting up now. Whatever. I should be seeing these. Oopsie. So if I collect this, I should see the thing activate. Ah, look at it! It worked! Okay. Let's fix this. Basically, the way we fix this is we come over here, move this away. Then we go to prefabs and spawn the player in. Spawn. Now we shouldn't have a problem with that other thing. This level manager object reference not set. So here's my level manager. Jump. 20. Line 20 in the level manager is acting up. So here, game music equals game find object game music. Ah, it's because I'm just starting. Okay, so that means we can actually fix this pretty easily, I think. If game music equals null, you can instantiate an audio source. Let me just go look at that really quick. Spawn thing equals instantiate object. Ah, nah, I don't want to do it. Alright, whatever, it's fine. This is actually fine. This is not an error that I care about. Because, like, the game will play normally. So it's not a super huge deal. But what I want to do now is double check to make sure that the collection is working. So go collect all the bottles real quick. Okay, so that's a way, that's a key. We got keys. What is that? 10, 20, 40. Oh, that's my points. Okay, I also have a point system. So that point system, I'll have to learn how to display it. Ooh, come on, don't do that. Okay. Got it. Okay, don't grab that ball in the middle. That's the one. $130 points, baby. There you go. Jump across, no problem. All right, nice. Okay, so this bottle acts as a key. Fucking awesome. And sweet. Oh, okay, hang on. Let's not delete that. Bottle key. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna move it to the thingy. Whoa. Okay. 0, 0, 0. It's fine. So that they're all on top of each other. That's fine. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna come here. Go to my puzzle manager. Drop that there. Now, then I'm gonna undo all the shit I just did. So I got my prefab. Drop that over there. Okay, delete this key, because the way I want this level to work is you collect all the bottles and the spawn manager comes back, or the flag comes back. So then we come here, we look at this, we say sewer level 3. Okay, sweet. So level 1, level 2. Empty level. I just want to take this stuff and put it all in here. So spawn. I guess it could go in level object. No, I don't want that. There is a respawning. There's a respawn like mechanic. Or a checkpoint system. There's a checkpoint system. I gotta figure that out. So, cell room shaded. Just put that in there, it's fine. Puzzle manager, level manager, the spawn point, my player camera. I guess I can put this under level manager. Like that's not gonna be moving anywhere, I'm sure. Okay, that's pretty organized. It's nice. Looks good. Now come over here. We're gonna look at the scenes. Level 1. Let's organize this a little bit in the same way. There's no puzzle here. This goes here. Kill box. This goes into level. Kill box into level 2, I guess. I'll take the kill box from this level and I'll move it. Oh, these bottles though, they do need to come out. Okay, so the bottles, the collectibles themselves have like a way to get the level to go. The puzzle manager also has the way to progress the level. Yeah. So there's a couple ways to do it. I'll just put the puzzle. I'll just make it empty. Create empty puzzle manager here. It's not the same though. It's not the same puzzle manager. It's different. But it serves the same purpose. So level, puzzle, the level itself, that's organized now. So the way this puzzle manager works is you collect the bottles in order, and that activates the flag free object. And then here, the puzzle manager works to collect, the puzzle manager has a script. The bottle, you collect out of the bottles. Once this is empty, this activates. Great, sounds good to me. So this level is just about maybe making it to the other side. So, oh shoot, I forgot to put the kill box, hang on. Kill box should be down below, yep. So we'll put that in there, no problem. Come here, drop the kill box in as well. Might as well do it to the last level as well. Okay. All right. So let's organize this. Okay, empty level OBJs. Drop this stuff into here. We're gonna take all the bottles out. Props, planks. Let's call these props. Yeah. Okay. Platform. Let's take these bottles out. Props. This plank, let's take it out. Yeah, let's put this into the props of this platform. Let's call these platforms instead. Rename to forms. Okay, so here's platform. Platform 1. Rename this to platform 2. Why did I put an S? That's weird. Okay, there. So there's platform 2 and its props, platform 1 and its props. Great. Here's the kill box. Let's take the bottles. Let's make a parent for them. Drop them out. Rename this to bottles. Okay. So the last type of puzzle isn't really a puzzle. It's just a get to the end of the level type thing. So like this is more about like balancing. So we're gonna focus on balancing. It is getting cold. Holy crap! What's going on? Here we go. So we're gonna just put this here. I don't really care about the bottles in this level. And so like that, there are objectives for each of the levels changes. And I think that the variety will help. Here's the puzzle manager. Here's the flag. The flag is just kind of in a weird spot here. There we go. Where is it? There we go. Deactivate it. Holy moly, it is getting cold. Hold on. It's supposed to open up. Yeah, hang on. Let me get a sweater and open up some drains and stuff. Give me a second. All right, 1 second. Okay. Let's get this video on. And keep going. Let's see, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Okay. Probably gonna work for about another hour and then eat some dinner, go to sleep. get cold. All right, let's do this thing. What we got? All right, let's continue on our journey to make these levels work properly. We'll have to get, I think, pause menu probably is next on the list, or the agenda of things to work on. Let's just double check our stream time. Let's see how long we've been sitting here. 2.5 hours. Ow! Jeez Louise. Okay. Alright. I'm set. Yep. Okay, so level 2 set up. I think I actually need to do this the other way around. I need to have the cylinder on top, and then I need to put the flag underneath. So let's go ahead and rename this to goal. Finish line. Okay, take that out. Rename this to, oh crap. Okay, so this is gonna be weird. Cause like, I don't want to move anything. I want to make a new prefab. I want to like swap them. I want this to be childed to this instead, so that I'm putting these down. I don't really want to do a whole bunch of work either. Crap. Okay, whatever. It's fine. Drop that out. Drop this in. Finish line. Kill this. Rename this. Okay, it's all in the same spot for this one. I'm gonna go here on my prefabs. Take this. I just make a new prefab, I think. Then I get rid of this. What is this? What's going on here? Okay. Missing variant. Okay, whatever. So we open this. We go to prefabs. Oopsie. The crap. Oh, it's a pack. Okay, right. So here, prefabs, and we drop this in. Woo-hoo-hoo. I don't know what the hell that was. It was weird. Okay, no, that's all weird. I deleted it too. Crud, hang on, I gotta bring it back. Props? I think I need to restore this. Let's see if that did it. Prefabs? No, it's gone. Damn it! Okay, I gotta just remake the prefab. That's so dumb. Packs. Let's get it in here, baby. There it is. Put it here. So we tell the flag position 0, 0, 0, so that we're all centered up. Great. Then we scale it to what I wanted it before. Way too fast. I don't know. Fuck it. I guess that's fine. 0.2. Whatever. Whatever, dog. Whatever's gotta be, man. What did I need to do? Prefab. Add a game object. Apply to finish line. Take the finish line. We're on level 3. Or no, we're on level 2. So we're going to level 3. Easy. This goes in here. This belongs here. This puzzle manager no longer has the reference, so we need to fix that. Finish line. Turn this off. Okay, this level's fine. But we do need to go here. So we're level 1. Level manager. No, puzzle manager. This is now missing. Go figure. Prefab finish line. Just make sure it's where I want it to be. There you go. There it is. Great. Put this in here. I said put it in here. Deactivate it. This bottle is gonna activate the finish line. Okay, that's level 1, done. Scene, sewers, level 1 and level 2 have what I want. Say level 3, this does not have what I want. Prefabs, finish line up here. Looks good. Sewer level 3, sewer level 4 actually. Excuse you, bitch. Go scenes level 4. This is also a 1. This will be one that is this will be one that this will be one that is, I guess, ends the game technically, so it takes us back. Okay, let's rename this to platform 01. 2. Just a way to organize them. Let's get the bottles organized. Dude, this music's so good. What the hell? What is this? Abutos. What is this music? Hang on. Give me a second. My Castle Town. Deltarune. Wow. I have not played that game. I need to play that game. All right. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so this is what I gotta do. I just gotta put the finish line down. Ba-boom! Game over. Easy. Now, these load scenes, I can have like my ending scene be, you know, whatever. Let me go to my scenes, testing scene, title screen. So let's just have this send me back to the title screen. See if that works. I gotta put the title screen into the build. Build settings. Title scene. This one, remove. Okay. So now we start from the title scene. Play the game. Oh, I didn't make it a reset. Oh, whatever, it's fine. Okay, that's working. Nice. Cool. There's the end. I just gotta get up there. Just gotta get over there. Oh, I can jump in here. I gotta fix that. Oh, come on. Oh! Ah! Ah! Okay. It destroyed it. Okay, so, oh, interesting. And then I can't restart. Wait, what happened? What is going on? Okay. So, that was weird. Let's go to that last scene. So that was a consequence. That was a consequence of what do you call it? The music kept playing because the do not destroy script activated. Whenever the ID for that music stayed the same, so when it got back around to going there, it reset, or it didn't reset. There was no. What the hell did it do? No, so the game object persisted through all the levels, and when I got back around to the title screen, the one that already existed saw that there was one that was going to have a matching ID, and it deleted it. That's what that script does. There shouldn't be any situations where that happens. So, technically, these finish line scripts might actually need to be modified so that they are actually scene loaders. So I gotta go look at my scene loader script, or if there's a way. I think what I would do is just add the scene loader script to this thing, put it there, and then make the finish line call the scene loader, which feels really like roundabout. But the scene loader is the thing that makes it so that I can do resets. So like I'm not too terribly like bugged about it. Let's look at this. Let's put the scene loader in here. Here's the scene loader. I tell what level, tell them what to activate. I don't think I need that. Copy this. Paste. Is reset. I see. But there's nothing. This isn't triggered. So I need this script to call the scene loader and to load the level that's there. So we're going to edit this script. On trigger, enter, blah, 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 scene manager, load scene, next level, whatever, fine. But the thing that's important is that this scene loader, if it is a reset, does this stuff. If you close the game, you do that stuff. You scene load the level that you've put into there. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna have to modify this. Finish line. Private scene loader. My scene. Holy crap. Scene loader. Then we're gonna get the scene loader. Here we go. Scene loader equals get component my scene loader. Scene loader. Scene loader. Okay. Holy crap. Okay, that's fine. So if it happens to be the player, then we get the scene loader. Then we say levels complete, whatever, we don't need that. We need this though. We need the scene loaders version of load scene. You have a load scene function. I don't know why you're acting up. Oh, okay, I see. There's nothing to pass through. I mean, we could modify the scene loader to have like a, oh, that would be cool. Okay, hang on. Yeah, let's do that. Public. So we just do this. We copy this. This is going to be an over string level. There you go. Let's just say L. I mean, we could, I think it actually carry, it's fine. Okay, so it's referencing that, and this is referencing this. So if we do the overloaded function, it does this instead. So in that case, we don't need to assign. We can just say next level here. I don't think it'll cause a problem because it's overloaded. Now, that's cool. That's just an update to scene loader. That's kind of neat. Okay, let's try this. So that way I don't need to go and like mess around with all those other things, but I can do this. Add a component, apply, just in case. I mean, oh, wait. Well, no, it will reset because it is designed that way. So as long as that's written, I mean, it's like kind of redundant, but I just don't want to go back to all those other scenes and have to fix them. And I also don't want to like, I don't know. It's weird. It's whatever. Because the finish line is just watching for the collision. That's all it's doing. It's just watching for the collision and then calling the scene loader function. Regardless, this should work like the way I want it to. I can jump right now. That's not good. Get up there! Okay. Oh, right. Did I not put music in this level? Holy crap, I made a mistake. Respawn me? No, respawn me. Did I not put a kill box in this level? What the heck? Oh, I didn't put a spawn in this level. There, it's a spawn. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Right. Let's fix this. Just lower it a bit. Is that touching? God damn you. Is that touching now? I can't tell, dude. Okay, it's fine. This transform relative modify component apply. Holy crap. Okay, this now. This is fine. One thing that's bugging me. Level manager, please. I don't have a level manager in here, and I don't have a puzzle manager in here either. I just have a finish line. Okay. Let's start from the beginning and make sure things are working. So here's the level manager. It changes to Uncle Ruckus. Level 2. My level manager changes to VelocityRush. This should fix this. Turn that off. Level 3. I don't have a level manager, so that needs to be fixed. So prefabs, level manager in. This. So I don't think it. Can I say none? Let's just double check to make sure that if it's none, first of all, that it doesn't do anything. Doesn't equal null. Okay, yeah. So if it is null, you just move on with your life. Okay, cool. I don't want any of that. It's good. Let's go my scenes. 4. Don't have a level manager in here, so put a level manager. Scenes, no. Prefabs, level manager. We will turn. No, we don't want to jump, and we want to go back to Uncle Ruckus. So we'll go back to listening to Uncle Ruckus, and then when we leave here, it should be a reset. Okay. So that's something that's going on. This finish line in particular is a reset, but none of these other scenes should be resets. Finish line. Aha! Right there. That's messing it up. It's because it's a prefab. That's why. So this is not a reset. So finish lines in general should not be resets. So that means I'm gonna go to the prefab, go to the finish line, touch the finish line, say reset, no, save that, and then I'm gonna double check these finish lines to make sure that they're not resets. Yep, that's good. Puzzle manager, finish line, it's not a reset, great. This one, finish line is not a reset. This finish line in particular is a reset. Very good. Okay. Now, scenes, title screen, play. Using the controller, I can move around the menu. I can press the test buttons. I can press start. The game starts. The music changes. Sweet. I can collect my bottles. Oh, shit. Alright. I can't dash. I can't jump. Can't gravity shift. I can't do any of that stuff. I can move on to the next level though. That flag is fucked. I gotta fix that. I don't think I care about these here. Yep, I can just go up. Okay, cool. Alright. I gotta just get across here. Oh, the music didn't change. The music did not change. Or I don't think it changed. Okay, I gotta go check that out. Here's my music. So I should be able to start again. There's Uncle Ruckus. Christ. Alright. Just go in here. Alright. Yep. Okay. This did not fix. Sewer 3. Sewer level 3 did not do what I wanted it to. Wait. Which sewer level was it supposed to be the music change? Boondocks. Manager. VelocityRush. This should be changing. That means level 2 should be changing. There's nothing in level 3, so there should be no change. And then this should be changing back to the Boondocks. Okay, so something's going on. I gotta double check. But I'm pretty sure that the music's not changing the way I want it to. It worked the first time. So this is level 1. Level 1, right? Okay. Oh, okay, that's why. It just goes straight to level 3. That is a problem. So level 1. My finish line. Activate this. This down. Deactivate this. Scene level 2. 2. There we go. Now level 2. Level 2 takes me to level 3. Yes, sir. Level 3. Level 3. Oh shoot, where is it at? Level 3. Oh, here's the finish line. Level 3 takes me to level 4. And then level 4. Hang on, this goes under my level manager. Sorry. This takes me back to the title screen and is a reset. Okay. This should all work. This should all work the way I want it to. Hopefully. Let's hope. And then just in time too. It's 9:30. Oh, what did I do? Eat some dinner and then go to bed. VelocityRush. Okay, there's Uncle Ruckus. Hit that. No dash, no jump, no gravity. Hit that. Okay, move on. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Crap. 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 Sewer level 2. I forgot to turn the finish line off. What? What happened? The flag was right there. That was weird. What is this? Spawn manager. They all have, everybody has, all my project, or all the scenes have spawns. Okay, let's, that was a very weird glitch, or bug. Okay, let's just try to watch what happens. Okay, it's about to happen. So I go here. I'm going to level 2. What was that, dude? Why did it activate right away? Scenes? I think I know. Okay. So this level, this puzzle is looking to see that bottles is empty. To collect, and it activates the finish line. Now, now this is the problem, is if key is empty. Yeah, puzzle manager. If key equals null, then it just opens up. Okay, that's the problem. Okay. So we gotta just do a little bit of scripting change here. So we're gonna do a start thing. So void start if key equals null. So if the key is null to begin with, then like basically we want to say like if the key starts off null, then it's like not a key. Oh, no, I know what to do. Public bool uses key equals false. Boop. All right, cool. Now, I don't need this. Oh, no, I need that other thing. I do need that. I need that game object. Sorry, I deleted the wrong thing. So it's gonna be two things, right? It's gonna be two things. If key is null, meaning you got the key, it uses key equals true. Okay. Equals true. Sorry, and key equals null. So, so if you use a key, like if the puzzle uses a key, yes, and you got the key, then you do this stuff. Now, if the puzzle doesn't use a key, this will always be false, and it will make this entire statement false. There you go. Easy done. All right, that fixed it. Now, this puzzle manager does not use a key, so don't activate it, you cunt. This puzzle manager doesn't have a thingy. This puzzle manager has a thingy. There's no puzzle manager here. There's no puzzle manager here. Okay, now this should be fixed. Jeez Louises. Let's try this. Come on, game. Do what I want you to do. Start the game. Alright. Collect my bottles. Nice, I got my bottles. Start the game, okay. Gotta collect all my bottles. I can hear my music. I can't jump, I can't jump, I can't jump. Oh my god, I almost tried to jump. There's nothing. Move on. 3. Music's continuous. No problem. My bottles. Whoa! Almost fell off there. Oh, and Uncle Ruckus starts up again. Nice, dude. Nice. Let's go. Oh, no. No, please. Up, up, up. Oh, jeez Louise. Ah! Ah! Oh. Not a respawn. Nice. Crap. Goes on my lives. Okay, I gotta do the live system next, but I want to do pause menu and other UI stuff first before I do a game over screen. And then the music should come back on. Yeah, dude. Okay. Hell yeah. Everything's working. Let's go. Are you gonna just start up again? Yes, sir. All right, cool. All right, everything's working. That's what I like to see. All right. All right, everybody. That's enough work for tonight. I hope you guys are doing good. Staying warm. You know, here in the South, we've got, you know, Arctic blast or whatever is going on. So, okay, guys. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. Bye.